So friends, to solve this problem, we follow the BODMAS rule, which dictates the order of operations, bracket, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now, here is the equation. As you can see, I have already written here 3 upon 8. Of means multiplication. We just change it into multiply and the equation becomes. Now, the first step, solve the left hand side first. So, left hand side and there is a right hand side. So, first we simplify the expression before the plus signs. So, there is a 3 upon 8 multiplied by 138. So, there is a of operation. In BODMAS, of is treated as multiplication and performed before division and multiplication. So, 3 upon 8 multiplied by 168, and instead of multiplying 3 multiplied by 168, you can divide it by 168 by 8. So, you will get 21, and after multiplying of it you will get simply 63. Now division. Now handle the 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Now combine the results. Multiplication. 63 multiplied by 3. You can use Vedic maths. 3 3s are 9 and after 6 3s are 18. So simply 9 as it is, and you will get 8 and 1. Simply left hand side is completed, but the equation becomes is 189 plus question mark. So now the left hand side is complete. Second step, right hand side part. Simplify the expression is 549 divided by 9 plus 235. Now simplify division part. Divided by 9, you will get simply 61. After adding of it, 61 plus 235, you will get 296. So find the value for x. So step 3, now set the simplified left hand side equals to the simplified right hand side. There is a 189 plus question mark equals to 296. Now for question mark, you will transpose the values and it will become a negative, and after subtracting you will get 107. The missing term is 107 and comparing this to the given option. So given option A is the correct answer, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.